Okay, today we're going to take a look at this 2020 69 plate Honda SH300i. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look all around the bike for you. Right, let's go and get a close look at this Honda. It is HPI clear and it is only a one owner bike. We'll start at the front and work all the way around. As you can see, it's got the large screen that's been fitted on the front. It's also got the hand guards on there. It's in a metallic grey, the paintwork. This does have ABS on it as well. So we'll start over this left hand side, get a good close look at everything. Let's have a look at the foot plate on the left hand side. Get a low down look at all the plastics, condition of those. Does also come with a side stand as well as the centre stand. Let's get a look at the engine on this side and the shocks and the plastics on this side as well. Let's have a look over the seat. This also has a top box with it as well, so plenty of storage space. Let's have a good look at the wheel on this side. And let's move round to the right hand side. Get a look over the seat on this side. And the side panel. Get a look at the exhaust and the engine on this side. Let's get a look at the brake. Let's have a look at the foot plate on this side. And let's get a look low down. And then the wheel on the right hand side. And we'll go and take a look up at the controls and get the exact mileage off it. Right, let's go and take a look at the controls. This is keyless ignition. As you can see, it has got the spare key with it as well. So all you do, as long as you're within the proximity, push this in and then turn it on. And you can see it's done 3,677 miles. So control wise, we've got the throttle, front brake, kill switch. That is for the torque control. So you can change the torque control on it like a traction control. And it's got the starter on that side. Over on the other side we've got the rear brake, the lights, horn and indicators. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in particular in close-up, we can do that and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219 or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.